Your day in the life vlog lost its oxygen the moment Shorts hit 70 billion daily views. YouTube Shorts surpassed 70 billion daily views by early 2024, siphoning watch time from 10-minute vlogs. Advertisers collapsed CPMs for lifestyle vlogs, chasing 30 to 50% higher conversions in niche content. HubSpot's 2024 report shows brands abandoned long-form sponsorships, shifting to 15 to 60-second TikTok and Reel slots. Interest graph discovery slashed the impact of subscriber counts by 40% on total video reach. Docu-style storytelling, with fast-paced narrative arcs, now locks in 70% retention versus 20% for vlogs. Connected TV viewership on YouTube eclipses 1 billion hours daily, demanding cinematic quality over handheld selfies. Audiences bounce in 1.5 seconds if you lead with cinematic intros or rambling greetings. By 2025, influencer spend hits $35 billion, yet 62% funnels to UGC ads and edutainment. Emma Chamberlain and Neistat both told you daily vlogs wouldn't keep them relevant. 45% of top creators automate viral clip extraction with Opus Clip and Munch. 90% crave raw authenticity, but they skip polished long-form vlogs every time. 87% of marketers call this shift the utility era, where solutions, not personalities, rule discovery algorithms. Meta's AI engine for Reels boosted Instagram time spent by 24%, hurting YouTube episodic habits. YouTube now gives Shorts creators 45% revenue share, elevating scraps from vlogs to primary product status. The social graph died with chronological uploads. YouTube's algorithm now worships the interest graph. Metcalfe's law doesn't apply when AI decides who sees your video. Discovery no longer follows friendships. It follows engagement signals, click-through, retention metrics. Subscriber count means squat. You can post to 0 subs and hit 1 million views overnight. As Bezos's flywheel taught us, the algorithmic loop now dominates organic reach. Niche specificity dominates. A 5-minute explainer on custom mechanical keyboards can outperform a 10-minute travel vlog. Advertisers track ROI directly. They won't fund a personality brand unless it drives conversion. Search-based content yields up to 50% better conversion than broad lifestyle placements. Niche shopping guides on YouTube now pull 7-figure ad budgets away from generalist creators. Etsy saw 60% traffic from short-form demos, a blueprint for brands to follow. The long-tail theory hit turbocharge. Depth beats breadth in today's feed. Amazon's model of niche dominance translated into video. Micro-communities win. YouTube's Shorts fund doesn't care about story arcs, only micro-viral hooks. That's why channels focusing on 30-second cooking hacks now eclipse daily vlogs in ad revenue. If your brand pitch isn't optimized for the interest graph, it's invisible. Shorts command 70 billion daily views, and that number isn't slowing. Can you name the last tournament vlogger who beat a cat compilation in views? Neither can I. Brands saw a 57% ROI boost on short-form video per HubSpot. Nike cut long-form budget for 15-second kickflip loops with pro skaters. TikTok's $50 billion ad business siphoned YouTube's growth, forcing vertical-first pivots. Vertical video view time on Snapchat and Reels doubled last year. Advertisers funnel budgets to McDonald's 15-second menu drops, not Casey's 20-minute run around NYC. YouTube's 45% revenue share for Shorts creators incentivizes massive repurposing. Syndicate your scraps. Vlog footage is now raw material for vertical atomic clips. Opus Clip and Munch extract 30 to 60-second viral scenes in minutes. This vertical-first economy reduces unit cost per view by up to 70%. PewDiePie's team now staffs AI editors to slice his live streams into nano highlights. Legacy vloggers pivot or perish as their content transforms into algorithmic fodder. Connected TV and Shorts fight for the same ad dollars. Guess which wins? If you still upload full-length daily vlogs, you're feeding a cannibalistic ecosystem. Linear day-in-the-life arcs average 20% retention. Docu-style jump cuts hit 70%. That's 3 times more eyeballs staying from scene 1 to credits. Remember when vlogs opened with sunrise montages and PMS playlists? Algorithms hated that. Today you must cast conflict, stakes, and resolution in the first 3 seconds. Books like Robert McKee's Story teach this, but most creators ignore narrative craft. High-production cinematic intros are dead too. They kill your hook. Utility-driven jumps into problem-solution loops. That's your new premium real estate. A 5-step Photoshop tutorial outperforms any week-in-my-life montage. Wise old data. 87% of marketers declare the utility-era rules content. Edutainment channels grow at 3 times the rate of personality vlogs. Lee Lefevre's Confessions of a Video Addict show us formulas that stick. Think in modules, problem, steps, reward, signpost, call to micro-action. Affordable cinematic gear fuels CTV demand. Your Apple TV app needs polished visuals. Public feeds crave viral hooks. Niche platforms loved your deep dives. Your next video must marry utility, narrative, and production, or it's dead on arrival. Authenticity paradox. 90% demand raw, but they skip polished vlogs anyway. GRWM clips and photo dumps hit raw authenticity without narrative obligations. Instagram stories and WhatsApp status dethroned episodic uploads years ago. Meta's AI-driven Reels engine increased time on Instagram by 24%. Influencer spend jumps to $35 billion by 2025, but most funds chase UGC ad slices. Brands found unbranded creators drive conversion 15 to 30% better. They want real shoppers showing real results in 15 seconds or less. Long-form authentic vlogs feel staged, UGC feels live. TikTok's 10:1 engagement rate on UGC ads crushes polished YouTube pre-rolls. Rationale: short, raw demos signal trust more than glossy edits. Generative AI tools handle 45% of top creators' clip selection today. They'll mine your long form for the 6-second gold that survived the algorithm. Use AI to chop highlights, but invest in real moments worth slicing. Your authenticity stems from content choice, not camera quality. If your content lacks genuine moments under 30 seconds, you're obsolete. By 2026, 80% of global internet traffic will be video, but not on YouTube. Discord and Patreon capture deep communities starving for substance. Public feeds become viral arenas. Niche platforms become private clubs. If you build on YouTube alone, you own nothing. Community-centric monetization outperforms ad revenue for engaged audiences. Think superfans paying monthly for exclusive workshops, not ad impressions. Mike Vestal pivoted from daily vlogs to subscription-based workshops, solved revenue volatility. Edutainment memberships yield lifetime value 20 times higher than ad-driven models. The algorithm rewards mass viral hooks, not loyal niches. Publishers embrace utility newsletters, private Discord lessons, Patreon Q&As. The future belongs to creators who solve problems, not just entertain. Reconnect with audience needs. Build for interest, not followers. Algorithms change, platforms rise and fall, but utility endures. Your next pivot. Define the niche problem you solve and own that category. Fail to adapt, and you'll be forgotten in the next platform shuffle. Opportunity knocks now.